What did I just catch?
State record
Pickerel.
Jesus.
Look at this thing. Whoa! It's slime everywhere. All right. Goodbye, snake. You're so big. You're so big. Wow. I'm so slimy.
No one-aught hooks. No.
Ryan's right there.
Good one?
No.
Keeper.
Keeper. There's an ugly hook set. It's a fish.
Ah, number one.
Number one.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Super Bass Bros. Today we are out on Lake Henry in the Poconos.
Yeah, it's pretty Pocono.
Yeah, pretty Pocono-y. Out in the Poconos, small little lake up here. Kind of came here, it's a Sunday, so we decided to get out of the boat traffic of the major lakes, especially around us. The boat traffic is a huge thing. Beautiful day out, so we decided to pay $15.
Ouch.
Technically 15 Kitex to launch on this lake. Yeah, we're out here over there. I don't know if you guys can see them, but we're with Ryan and his brother. They're fishing in the Skeeter. I'm fishing with Zoob in the Tracker. And we decided to do a little tournament challenge for you guys just to kind of make the day a little bit entertaining. So what we're gonna do is best 5 fish wins. We didn't pick an end time yet, but the team that loses, one of the team members are gonna have to go swimming into this stump infested lake and swim until they find a lure on a stump that somebody broke off. So should be fun. Got the cameras rolling. As you just saw from the chest mount, we got 1 fish already. I don't think Ryan and his brother have any, so got a little bit of a head start. I really don't want to go swimming in this water, but we're gonna be flipping, mainly going for largemouth, flipping, throwing some drop shots around, finesse stuff maybe, bigger baits. Probably gonna work both ends of the spectrum and hopefully put together a nice little bag. So here we go.
I was kind of hoping that was gonna be a little bigger.
Yeah, me too. Hey, I need 1-aught worm hooks. Lost them. I need worm hooks! Oh God.
Bye.
Hey! Are you gonna win?
Huh?
Are you gonna win?
Absolutely.
Helps to have friends. Just hooked me up with the juice. About to tie one of these owner 1-aught hooks on. Gonna finesse them. Do the gesso thing and finesse these big largemouth. Catch some giants. Thanks, Ryan! Well, Zoob.
What?
White swim bait. If we lose,
That's it.
that's it. 5 seconds. All right. So we're gonna kind of cheat in this challenge a little bit.
We're scouting them out.
There's a log right here, and there's a white Senko. It looks like something, but it's
bird poop.
I don't think that's bird poop. Either way, I'm pretty sure there's a bait on that log. So if we lose, we already got an easy cop out for this video, for this challenge.
Sub.
That's the way to do it.
I don't think we're gonna have to worry about it.
I don't think we are either. Got one? Oh.
Second keeper.
Second keeper. I think it's time to start flipping.
Yeah.
He has 12 inches, right? Yeah, he's 12. I hope it's not 15 on here. So basically what we're doing, guys, is there's these floating islands out in the middle of the lake. And no, I'm not dense. They're actually floating. Fish Commission put them out here, right?
No, local association actually did.
Oh, the local association? Yeah. Okay, so the local association put them out, and you can actually see the ropes to where they're tied down. Basically, it's just to keep the lake clean, provide habitat for fish, turtles, stuff like that. And the wind's blowing right into it, so Zub is flipping a jig around the edges of it, and I am going finesse. And as of right now, finesse isn't working, but we got 2 in the box with the jig flipping. Feeling pretty good about our chances. It's early yet. I think we should get 5 in the box and then just throw big worms and big jigs around.
Like that.
Oh yeah, who's up? You probably have one. There you go, Nick.
All right, guys. Well, I just made a big oof. I didn't realize I shut the GoPro off, but we came out here, fished this shoal that comes way out off the bank. A little bit deeper grass, scattered. Just landed one on the finesse. Gesso finally contributed, a little 13-incher, but it's fish keeper number 3. Our plan is going to be to catch a limit and then put big baits on and just go for big bass, I think. What do you think? Sound like a good plan?
Sounds good to me.
So, just got peppered. But yeah, so we got 3 in the box now. I'm not even gonna show you that one because he was real small. Hopefully we get rid of him. Thanks. I like a good screamer.
Hope you're recording.
Oop.
Better one. Same fish. That's snake.
Snake!
That was the fish I had.
Ugh.
You know what the trick is, right? You know the pickerel trick? You wet your hand before you grab them. They don't slime you.
Really?
Yeah.
Gross.
Yeah. Always wet your hand before grabbing pickerel.
That guy's ballsy.
Whoa.
That's real close to where it was real shallow.
Yeah. You got one? Yeah, we got. Oh yeah. Giant. You got him. You got him. He's bigger, isn't he? You want than that?
Yeah, 7-pound test. Can't really flip. Before it comes off, Zub.
Forgot about that. My bad.
No, you're good.
10.
Yeah!
Hey, bigger one.
Long. Not very fat, but long.
Better friend.
All right, number 4, guys. Finally contributed a little bit. 2 fish apiece now. Maybe we'll start calling soon. Here you go, guys. Have some friends.
So pop one out on here. I feel like this would still work.
Snake, 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 snake. Do not want to break off anymore. Oh, put him back, put him back.
Get out of here. No.
Oh God. Damn it.
I thought that was a good one.
So did I. I hate those things.
What is it? Whistle down. Bluegill? Is it number 5?
No, definitely not 12 inches.
Big.
11 3/4.
Really? Wow.
Good one?
Yeah.
Oh God, real good one. Net?
Yeah. Coming up, coming up, coming up.
huge head.
Small body. Chatterbait. Biggins.
Should be a 3.5. Probably a 3.
Yeah. It's a nice one. Or we should put it in the box before New Yorkers get mad.
Huh? Oh, son of a... So basically, how Zuby caught that one is a great summertime pattern. It's August, it's hot. Fish absolutely love moving water because it keeps the water a little bit cooler. It doesn't heat up as the rest of the lake. So outlets in lakes, big tip, fish the outlets, usually bait stacked up. Sometimes it works out like it just did there with bass, snakes, everything else. Fish love the moving water. Definitely a summer hot spot.
Oh yeah.
Hey, he doubled up, Defo.
Cole.
Whee! Bro, this one's big. Can I have a net, please?
Get him. Get him.
Kind of don't believe you. Yeah. Can we? Ah, he was covered in weeds. Ooh. Probably the smallest. Time hit.
So, midday update. It is 3:30. We have 2 hours left in our little challenge tournament. As you guys just saw, we just turn this around. We just met up with Ryan and his brother and caught 3 fish out of that spillway, proving my point that it's an awesome summer spot to go to on any lake. But I don't know. You think they're lying, Zub? I think they're definitely lying about not having that much weight in fish. I think that one they showed us might be their smallest. You think?
No, they said 10. We gotta up it a little. We gotta get some small ones out of the boat.
Yeah, he showed us.
Showed us a little 1.5 pound chunker.
He showed us like a 1.5. Yeah, maybe probably 1.5. Said that was the smallest, but if I know Ryan and his brother, definitely lying. So I think we might be in trouble. We have 2 decent ones, and he just got another one, small one. But we have 2 decent ones, the rest are real small. So basically we're gonna put the finesse stuff down, stop screwing around with the weeds now that we have a limit, and just pick up big creature baits, go flip stumps, in hopes that we can pick up 1 or 2 kickers and maybe keep ourselves in this thing.
Hey. Yeah, baby.
That's not a good sign. They are reproducing.
Not on my watch. Ow. Frank Baden Zoo.
Wet my hand. Grab the water.
No, you wet your hand before.
I touch it, yeah, I haven't touched it yet. Didn't work at all.
You need to wet it. Don't waste good water. Yeah. What do you think? Still a big worm? Better one? Huh? Ah! What?
Get him, Zoob. That doesn't help. I hate that you do that. Why do you scream like that? All of his slime is gone. Every last bit of his slime was gone. Whoa! Snake, 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 snake! What, my hand?
You just dunk your hand in the water, you loon.
I don't want to, it's too far away.
Holy crap.
He's gonna flop around.
I'm gonna make you flop around.
See, there he goes. Ow, he bit me.
I bite you too.
Didn't work, see? Did not work, Zoob. It just makes it even like wet slime. Who's calling me? Fox. Hello?
Yo.
What?
I'm pretty sure it's gonna rain.
Yeah, I keep getting like weather statements.
Oh, so weigh in at 5?
What time is it? That's 4 minutes.
I know.
I want to catch a big one.
You already did.
No, I only caught a 2-pounder. That's not big.
Well, I think we should go.
You think?
Nah.
Yeah, because I'd rather get out of the water before it starts raining than get out of the water while it's raining.
Oh God! If it's a bass, it's good.
Is it?
Yep, yep. Net. Definitely a call. Might be the winning fish. Yeah. Better. Better than one we have in there.
Put the other one in there so he doesn't die. Let him settle.
We'll figure it out. Whoa. Zeroed out.
It's too deep, isn't it? That's 5 feet. Got it?
Yeah. £9. Whoa. Oh.
5.
Yep, 9.5 locked in at.
Alright.
9.5.
Your fish.
Release him.
5 fish.
We're not taking a picture.
Yikes.
Okay,
Okay,
hurry up.
it's so much
It's
work.
not really that big of a deal.
I know. It's you. Yes!
Oh,
Yes!
Zoom swimming. 8.
Oh, bail.
See you, friends.
Bye, Zoop.
You're just gonna fish with me. I was like, huh? Your challenge still isn't over, buddy. You still gotta go find the freaking lure.
Yeah, you, Mike.
Oh, it's getting nasty.
9.5.
Yeah. Lost by a little under a pound.
Yep.
Run, Zoob, run! Oh God. Okay, we're gonna have to figure out something else for Zooby to do. Tracker's blowing like... Oh God, tracker's blowing away! It's blown away! Where am I gonna put it? He's blown away. Get my truck. Oh God. Where am I gonna put it? Go Zoom! All right, you move his truck. I'll pull yours in. How was your swim?
The water's a little wet today.
Well,
The water's a little wet today.
plus side is we got out of doing the challenge because of the storm. Bad side is you had to swim because your boat was floating away. So, oh yeah. Well, we lost. They weren't really actually lying to us. They only had 9.5, 9.4, something like that. We weighed in 8. I can't remember now. We're running around with this storm. 8.8. Did we have?
I think so.
8.8, 8.6. We got beat by a little under a pound. Oh no, it was actually a pretty tough day for this place.
What are you doing?
Filming the closing.
Let's go to Piero's.
Zooby's looking it up now.
You know how
Put the window up. I'm getting soaked, Zoom. You know how to get to Piero's? What? You know how to get to Piero's? Yeah. All right, we follow you. Okay.
You back up.
We're gonna head out to our favorite pizza place when we come up here, eat some pizza, and I guess we're gonna find out what they're gonna make us do for losing. So.